In today's episode on WarpDriveM, we are going to find out if the project car, the A4, will start. Yeah, if you are new to the channel, this is my new project car, Audi A4 2010 with a high pressure pump failure. Yeah, I bought this car in this state. As you can see it is exactly like the last episode. I didn't do anything because of the weather. Oh man, this weather is kind of crazy. We had a storm for a week now, and the wind is still strong. Yeah, crazy. So anyway, I received the new pump. If this car will start, it will be a jackpot because this was really cheap. Yeah, and if the car will start, we can sell this for a big profit. So I'm going to, I think because of the weather, I'm going to time lapse everything. Yeah, I'm going to put everything back, the new pump, the timing, yeah, and we are going to start the car. Oh yeah, first I have to put the charger for the battery because the car was sitting for 1 month, I think, or more. I have everything in here set up in the trunk. I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, the charger is right in there. I'm going to plug the cable now, and we are going to start to fix this car. In here we have the new pump, yeah, and here is the old one. I've noticed that the new pump came with a pressure sensor. Yeah, that's a really good thing. We just have to remove this plug, and I already removed these two ones, yeah, from here. I'm going to use the same bolts, yeah, and I'm going to put now everything back together. We have to ship this back because I've ordered this one. It's a repaired one, and I have to send this unit back. So timing is set, everything is, the belt is tight, everything it's how it should be. I've installed the pump completely, yeah, you can clearly see. I've blown all the everything that was on the common rail, yeah, everything, but it was clean. I'm going to install the oh my god, I keep forgetting names for the parts. This is the throttle body, yeah, throttle body, and after the, oh yeah, this is the EGR, and this is the throttle body, yeah. In here we have everything put back together, EGR, throttle body, everything, yeah. I don't want to put the belt, this belt, yeah, for the alternator and the steering wheel pump. I won't put this hose for the air intake. Battery is installed. We have power, yeah. We are going to prime first the car, yeah. Ignition on. Okay, wait about 3 seconds. Take the key out. Once again, ignition on. 3 seconds. Okay, apparently this car is so dumb and we have to do that with software. Yeah, we need a software to do that, and we are going to prime the system. This is the fuse for the fuel pump. Yeah, the fuse is in good shape, but we have no power. And I've checked here for relays, and I found 2 relays in there, but both of the relays are working because I've tested the relays. And I removed the back seat. Yeah, the battery is charging. I removed the back seat, and I tested everything in here, and we have no power to the fuel pump, and that's our problem. And I've just started the bleeding fuel system, yeah, you can clearly see in here, and now I can hear the fuel pump. It's working, that's a good sign, yeah. In here somewhere said that we have to do that 3 times, and you can see now the procedure is activated now, yeah, and we have to do this 3 times. I'm gonna give you an update after doing all the procedure, yeah. So the second test is done, yeah, test finished. I have to do this one more time and we are set. Third prime for the fuel system is done. I will take the ignition off now. Okay. Yeah, we have to wait a few seconds. I will unplug the cable and now I hope the car will start. Yeah, now you can hear something in here is working. So yeah, let's see if the car will start. And just like that, we have a complete car, yeah. I managed to find everything, every nut and bolt, the headlights, everything, nothing is missing. We have a complete car now. But I'm kind of pressured of time because I have to move the car today. In tomorrow, I think, or the day after tomorrow, I will receive all the wood for the structure in here, for the roof and everything, and I need this place free, yeah. The car is on charger, I think. Just a second to see. Yeah, we have anyway, I'm not sure if you can see there. We have 12.8 volts. Okay, what's wrong with this? Oh, nothing. I worked a lot of camera, yeah, because I want to start the car in this episode. I removed the back seat, I removed the fuel pump, yeah, and I found a lot of metal in there in the tank. Yeah, that's a big problem. I didn't knew that so much metal is in there, and I've done kind of a rookie mistake. I've tried to start the car and I didn't check the fuel filter, yeah, and I think this is the only problem in order to start the car. I'm not sure if I messed up the new high pressure pump because I checked everything and we have fuel on the high pressure pump, but not enough. Yeah, the fuel from the tank is coming, but not enough, and I think the fuel filter is clogged. And I've tried to, like I said, I've tried to start the car already, and I'm not sure if the new high pressure pump is already messed up or not. But if it is, we are going to buy another one. Anyway, I'm going to replace now the fuel filter. Battery is charged, high pressure pump is installed, timing is set, the car is complete. We just have to try to start the car, and I hope it's going to start. If not, we have to put this project on pause because, like I've said, in 2 days I'm going to start to build this roof, the garage in here, yeah, and back on the house we are working something as well. So anyway, yeah, no more talking. I'm gonna prepare everything off camera and I'm gonna show you if the car will start or not. And to be sure, now I removed the pressure sensor, yeah, from the pump to see if we have metal from the tank or not, but the filter is completely clear, the fuel is completely clear as well. We have not enough fuel in here, yeah, this should be full till this hole, yeah, till this return line, but it's not. And it might be the pump from the tank bad as well because of the metal. I'm not quite sure. but this is a good sign. And now I cannot send this back because I opened a new pump. Anyway, but this seems to be in good shape. Yeah, nothing is broken. Let's give it a try. And like that, the car is sold. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't manage to start the car, but I put everything back together, and I moved the car from here to a friend in a garage, because like I said, tomorrow we should start the construction in here, and I need this place free. Yeah, I have to take these parts as well out, but apparently we have another storm. I'm not sure what's happening with this weather, and I have to tighten the door, yeah, the entrance door as well, because it should last till tomorrow, because like I said, tomorrow we are going to start the construction in here. And yeah, sadly the car didn't started, and it even didn't give any sign that it want to start, yeah, and that makes me think that the injectors are clogged as well. So we have new filter, new high pressure pump. I've cleaned all the lines, I've cleaned everything. It's just the injectors that might be clogged. I'm gonna remove the injectors and I'm going to send to a shop to test if are clogged or not. And if are clogged, I'm going to buy new ones or clean these ones. I'm not sure if I will buy new ones. We have to code them, but it's not a problem. Anyway, that's about it for today's episode. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.